Alif, Arnabun, rabbit. The shapes of the letters in the starting, in the middle, and in the ending. Arnabun, rabbit. Maasun, diamond. Samaun, sky. Ba, Battatun, duck. Battatun, duck. Khabarun, news. Zahabun, gold. Ta, Tufahun, apple. Tufahun, apple. Kitabun, book. Baytun, home. Ta, Thu'banun, snake. Thu'banun, snake. Misalun, example. Musallisun, triangle. Jim, Jamalun, camel. Jamalun, camel. Hajarun, stone. Salajun, snow. Ha, Hisanun, horse. Hisanun, horse. Sahabun, clouds. Tufahun, apple. Kha, Kharufun, sheep. Kharufun, sheep. Makhrijun, exit. Tabahun, cook. Dal, Dubbun, bear. Dubbun, bear. Madrasatun, school. Masjidun, mosque. Zal, Zibun, wolf. Zibun, wolf. Yadhabu, going. Ya'khuz, taking. Ra, Rajulun, man. Rajulun, man. Wardatun, rose flower. Kamarun, moon. Za, Zujajatun, bottle. Zujajatun, bottle. Jaziratun, island. Khubzun, bread. Sin, Samakatun, fish. Samakatun, fish. Masjidun, mosque. Shamsun, sun. Sheen, Shayun, tea. Shayun, tea. Hashishun, grass. Rishun, feather. Sod, Sabunun, soap. Sabunun, soap. Basalun, onion. Kafasun, cage. Dod, Dhifda'un, frog. Dhifda'un, frog. Madribun, bat. Baydun, egg. Ta, Ta'iratun, aeroplane. Ta'iratun, aeroplane. Matarun, rain. Kittun, cat. Za, Zarfun, envelope. Zarfun, envelope. Izamun, bones. Mahfuzun, safe. Ain, Inabun, grapes. Inabun, grapes. Sha'arun, hair. Yadfa'un, paying. Ghain, Ghurfatun, room. Ghurfatun, room. Yaghsilun, washing. Samagun, glue. Fa, Filun, elephant. Filun, elephant. Miftahun, key. Saifun, sword. Qaf, Qalamun, pen. Qalamun, pen. Baqaratun, cow. Fariqun, team. Kaf, Kitabun, book. Kitabun, book. Sukkarun, sugar. Samakun, fish. Lam, Laymunatun, lemon. Laymunatun, lemon. Sullamun, ladder. Hablun, rope. Mim, Miftahun, key. Miftahun, key. Timsahun, crocodile. Khadimun, waiter. Noon, Najmatun, star. Najmatun, star. Inabun, grapes. Samanun, price. Ha, Hadiyatun, gift. Hadiyatun, gift. Nahrun, stream. Wajhun, face. Wow, Wardatun, flower. Wardatun, flower. Nurun, light. Dallu, bucket. Ya, Yadun hand. Yadun hand. Beitun home. Shayun tea. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.